Hiya crafters, Amy here, and I have a super quick little card with whales on it, and it's single layer and it's adorbs. So here are the stencils that I'm going to use today. These are both from the June release at A Colorful Life Designs. It's the cute whales and the flag heart, and you can see that's a two-piece stencil, but I'm just going to be using the outer portion. I have an A2 size card base, my blending brushes, and here's a photo of the card I'm going to make for you. It came together in a snap, super easy. So to start, I'm just going to use this outer portion of the heart stencil and kind of mask off this little corner that's showing with some low tack tape here, just to make sure I don't get ink where I don't want it. And then I'm just going to use some residual ink on my blending brush just to kind of fill in this heart. I want to make sure the full definition and the full outline of that heart is evident in the design, but I don't want it to be too dark. So that's why I'm just using leftover ink on my brush. And then I will come in with this pinkish color kind of in the center just to add a little something unexpected. And then I will layer up the other stencil on top of it. Now this is the, detailed whale layer, obviously, and I'm just leaving that other heart one in place while I ink blend through the whale stencil. And I have this dark blue juniper mist color, and I'm just laying that on really thick. I want nice, rich, saturated color on this, and I'm going to fill in all the areas that are available through that opening of the heart stencil. So I'm just working my way down, and again, I'm working directly on the card base, so this is nice and flat. It'll be easy to ship. It kind of has the look of another layer because of that heart, but really it's just super flat. So I'm going to remove these magnets here and show you the big reveal. But you can see, even with it sped up, how quickly this comes together. So just using some simple products, and you can create a super easy card. There's a cute little heart. Now I have a couple stamp sets to choose from. I'm kind of looking at these shore or sea-based sentiments, kind of figuring out Seize the Day. I have that Hero Art set, but I end up going with this Picket Fence Studio one with this Mermaid set. And I'm just going to use this little adorable sentiment. It says, "I miss seeing you," spelled out like S-E-A. And I'm just going to put that in this open space on the bottom left of the composition and use my Misty Door to pick this up. And then I'm going to use that same navy color just to stamp the sentiment down. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Just kind of push this down, make sure it's nice and even coverage. And then I'm going to use a little bit of blingage just to give it a little something else. So I have these iridescent white sequins in a couple different sizes, and I'm going to put them down in odd numbers, 3 on one side, 2 on another. I have my picker tool here. I'm just going to lay them down with a variation of the 2 different sizes just to kind of break it up, give it a little visual interest. But other than that, pretty simple. So if you enjoyed this card today, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and be sure to check out the rest of the awesome June release at A Colorful Life Designs. There's so much summery cute goodness there. So I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. I'll catch you next time.